handle has 4 sides. What shape is that? Tap it again. Square, that's right. Great! You found a really big blue star. Drum solo. Let's check all the instruments first. Tap on a red drum next to Ty. Sounds good. Tap on a yellow cymbal. You're really rocking. Fine. La 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 la. Look, the dinosaur eggs are hatching. Let's start building. Let's build this car together. Here is a square. Where should it go? Door, that's right. Tap on the red X and follow the dotted line. All set up. The square door is in place. To play again. Blue, yellow, pink, orange, purple. Ty is covered in so many colours. Ty is playing with a small yellow butterfly. Oh, it's a big green butterfly. Blue. Hey, anyone seen Ty? Green rectangle.